Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can export high quality videos from Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in a project that I have started. I have just made one small edit for a different tutorial, and I have this timeline ready to go. Now, once you have your timeline edited to its fullest that you want, to your full specifications, you want to go and right click on your timeline and go into timeline settings. Here, as you can see, you can use project settings or you can turn that off, and here you can set up the timeline resolution. You can select 1920 by 1080 or 1080p HD, or you can go all the way to 8K, which is this one here, 3072 by 2048, or this might not be 8K, actually no it isn't. 8K or 4K is 384 by 2160. You can select whichever resolution you want. I'll keep it at 1080p HD and just click OK. Here you can set up whatever else you want for processing or use any of these options here. I'm not very well versed in these, so I'll just keep them as they are. Now that you've set everything up there, that you've selected the resolution, you want to go to the deliver tab in the bottom all the way to the right, and now you'll see this menu here. You want to go firstly into video and make sure export video is clicked on or checked off. You want to go into format, make sure format is MP4 since this has the lowest compression as far as I know. You want to select the codec 264 or 265. I'm pretty sure that doesn't matter what you select. Then you can select the encoder, use whatever you have. NVIDIA works the best, but I don't have the NVIDIA encoder, and you can choose whatever you want. You can go to resolution and set it up from here if you didn't already over there. You can set up the frame rate, keep it at what it is since that's the only option I have at the moment. You can also go to quality and go to automatic and select best, which will work fine, or you can restrict it to, if you're using 1080p, you can go 45,000 kilobytes or kilobits per second. If you're using 8K or 4K, you should go to 95,000. You can just double click and enter the number that you want. I'll keep it at 45K, and then encoding you can use whatever you want. I'll just stick it to audio or auto. You can go to free keyframes, make sure they're either automatic or every 30 frames. You can select whatever you want, but that should be it. Under audio, you can go in the codec, the only available one should be AAC, just keep that as it is. And under file, you can create a custom name if you want here, or a file suffix. You can actually enter the file name and location where you want to save it over here. I'll just leave it at untitled, click browse and select downloads, for example, and then you can use that as the actual place that you want to store it. Then you just need to click add to render queue and then just click render all, and once that's done, you'll have exported your high quality video. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.